In Horizon, Rise of the Colonists, humanity's first steps on a new planet come alive through AI filmmaking. Today, I'll take you behind the scenes and show how I use Hailuo AI for visuals and MiniMax audio for voices to create this cinematic saga. Hailuo AI is my main video engine. Text and images become cinematic sequences in seconds. But visuals alone aren't enough. MiniMax audio is how my characters speak, argue, whisper, and feel. Together, they're the heart of every Horizon episode. As you can see, Hailuo is actually super easy to use. You've got so many creative tools in one place. Text to image, text to video, image to video, and more. What really stands out is their new AI agent, which I've been using a lot lately. It helps me speed up my workflow, organize scenes, and even refine my ideas in seconds. Honestly, it's like having a smart creative assistant built right into the platform. It just makes the whole process smoother and a lot more fun. As you can see, MiniMax audio is insanely powerful and easy to use. It offers text-to-speech with ultra-realistic voices across 30+ languages and can even clone voices from a short audio set. You can upload text, files, or URLs, and it'll read them aloud, even super long text, up to 200,000 characters in one go. It also has noise reduction divided by voice isolation features to clean up audio. What's more, its new Speech 02 HD model is supposed to hit to 99% similarity in cloned voices and sound extremely natural. So for voiceovers, audiobooks, or giving your content that high-end polish, MiniMax makes the process smooth, fast, and high quality. Every story starts with visuals. That's where Hailuo steps in. It gives me the shots that bring imagination to life. From starships breaking through alien skies, to dense, glowing jungles filled with unknown life forms, even full-scale cinematic battles, I can create all of it here. I start by choosing the camera style, maybe a smooth dolly, a steady tracking shot, or even a gritty handheld angle, and Hailuo instantly turns that idea into fully animated footage. The results feel like real film scenes shot on location somewhere beyond Earth. What's even better is how fast it all comes together. The engine handles lighting, motion, and composition automatically, so I can focus on storytelling. These clips aren't just renders, they're my canvas, my raw material for building entire worlds frame by frame. Unfortunately, Hailuo AI doesn't offer video extensions. The maximum length is only 6 or 10 seconds. But today, I'll show you a secret trick to create a 20-second cinematic scene using just one prompt and one image. First, make sure your prompt is well structured and the action is clearly described. Then, upload your image. In my case, it's an alien carrying an astronaut. Paste your prompt, select 10 seconds, and set the image as the end frame. This way, the action in your prompt happens before and ends with your image as the final frame. Now hit create. You'll usually see how many credits it costs. This one uses about 50 credits, but since I'm on the max plan, I get unlimited generations, which gives the best quality for the money. To make the scene last 20 seconds, generate it twice. First with the image set as end frame, then again with the same prompt, but the image as start frame. This way, the second clip continues smoothly from where the first one ended. As you can see, I now have a cinematic scene longer than 10 seconds, and the best part is, you have unlimited creative possibilities with this secret. But pictures mean nothing without voices. MiniMax audio is my virtual cast. A single typed line becomes a performance complete with tone, pacing, and emotion. Let's start simple. I'm going to show you 3 different tones for the same phrase. using the same voice. You'll see just how powerful this tool really is. On the right side, you'll see a settings option where you can choose emotion. The emotion feature isn't available on the free plan, but if you have access, you'll find several options from happy to neutral and more. You can also adjust the speed, pitch, and volume depending on your needs. Let's try a couple of examples.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
3 versions, same line. That's the power of voice control. With just a few tweaks, I can shift from calm and thoughtful to intense and commanding, even playful if the scene needs it. This kind of flexibility is how I create distinct personalities for every character. It's not just a voice, it's performance, emotion, and storytelling all rolled into one. Now I'll show you how I design voices for my projects. Here inside Voice Design, we've got 2 main boxes. The first one is the prompt box. This is where you describe the voice you want to create. For example, you could type something like, an old wizard, moody all the time, slow talker, deep voice. That description helps the system shape the character's tone and personality. Then, in the second box, we write a short line of text that the new voice will say once it's generated. Simple as that. Let's give it a try and see what kind of voice we can build. Once we're done setting everything up, we just press generate and then wait a few seconds while the system creates the voice.
Hello, my name is Greg. Hello, my name is Greg. Hello, my name is Greg.
As you can see, it generates 3 different voice options. Now, my description wasn't exactly perfect, but you get the idea. You can create up to 10 voices in total, which is great for my projects since I usually work with multiple characters. Having all those distinct voices available really helps bring each scene to life. Now let me show you another feature that's honestly amazing in my opinion. Let's say you already have a voice you really like, or even your own voice. You can clone it easily right here. You can record yourself, ask a friend to help, or just upload an existing voice file. In my case, I'm going to use a recorded voice file. We'll upload it here and clone it so you can see how the process works. So while we're waiting for the cloning to finish, I'll play the original voice that I'm cloning just so you can hear the difference before and after.
They were always watching us from the shadows, but never attempted contact. Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
As you can hear, it's pretty close. Not a perfect clone, but still impressive. I mean, this one's actually made from another AI voice, so that makes it trickier. But overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. With a bit of tweaking, you can get some really great results. Besides voice design and instant clone, you also have a wide range of built-in voices to choose from. You can select the language, there are multiple available, and even choose the accent. Right now, there are only a few options, but I'm sure they'll add more in the future. You can also pick the gender, and finally, the age of the voice. There are 5 age options. Let's test one.
G'day mate, how's it going? No worries, we'll sort it out in a tick. It's a beaut day for a Barbie, isn't it?
As you can see, it replicates the Australian accent really well, so it offers a lot of possibilities to help you with your projects. Honestly, both Hailuo AI and MiniMax audio have impressed me a lot. They're powerful, easy to use, and really well priced for what they offer. The possibilities are pretty much endless, from creating cinematic visuals to designing custom voices, music, and full scenes. And the best part is, they're constantly adding new features, so it just keeps getting better. If you want to try them out yourself, I've dropped the links in the description, one for Hailuo AI and one for MiniMax Audio. Definitely worth checking out.